My dear CA students, breathe. I actually mean it, breathe. Not breathe because we've got more time to study. You get me right. Now that CA examinations have been postponed from May to June and today's latest notification to 29th of July, I do not tell you to breathe because you have more time to study. But I tell you to breathe so that you can think what you want to do with a calm mind. I once again urge you, just because today's immediately the notification is out, a lot of students, in fact more than half or in fact almost everyone, have suddenly got baffled कि अब क्या करें, कब एग्जाम दे, कौन सा एग्जाम दे. You've got plenty of questions. Few of them had stopped having effective studies after the earlier notification, when the examinations was postponed for 50 odd days. Now once again the examinations have been postponed to around 40 odd days. What are you going to be doing? Will you always just keep thinking like this and ask somebody else that what do you want to be doing? I ask, what do you want to do? Why can't you take decisions by yourself? We are there to assist. Or plenty of questions, the moment notification is out, messages have popped up. Should we give one group? Should we give both the groups? Will institute open the window to give the second group? They give the another group? What do we do now? Once again, I tell you to breathe. Take a deep breath. Take a break for a couple of days. Absolutely all right. I repeat, take a break for a couple of days from today. It's absolutely all right if you feel to. What is going to be most important, to take a decision with a calm mind. Because if you take any decision with a hustling mind, the decisions can always topple. Hence, my submission to all of you students who are hearing me out, in case if you are hearing this, make sure that you might have a lot of thoughts suddenly that should you give the exams in July? Should you just skip the attempt and give it in November? You've been studying since January, February. What if you forget? Tell me, how will you forget things? Right? It's impossible to forget things because it will need just a quick revision. So, you will have to decide what do you want to do. We can assist, as I said once again, but the decision will always be yours. But to make any decision, what is more important? If your mind is hazy, if you've got too much thoughts and you take a decision, the decision can never be correct. That's why do you think so majority of the people, when we say, people say, I want to go to Himalayas, for 7 days. I want to take a break from my normal, day-to-day work and take a break and sit quietly. Because they want a calm mind so that they can think about what they want to do next. Is what my request is to you. Suddenly, because the notification is out, you cannot just start thinking what's going to be next. Take a break for a couple of days. Absolutely all right. Somebody may think कि भाई 2 दिन break लेगा, 2 दिन का पढ़ाई खत्म हो जाएगा, क्या करेगा, मेरा पढ़ाई चला जाएगा. You will be able to effectively study depending on your decision. Remember, if it was so easy to take a decision, we would have taken plenty of quick decisions, right? All of us, you and me, take decisions always. We never knew that the lockdown would happen. We never knew that we would all be in such a situation. Earlier, only a CA student would be under a lockdown for 4 odd months for a CA exam. Today, the entire city, entire state, entire country, entire globe is under a lockdown. That's absolutely all right, right? But what is important is we plan for ourselves. If you have already finished studying, absolutely all right. And still if you're deciding that you want to give a 29 July exam attempt, you've got enough time from today, right? Almost 3 months, somewhere close to 87 days, right? Start picking up something else as well to develop your skills and just keep revising. I will absolutely have one more video soon in just couple of days, devising the entire methodology to what should be going about. What is the best thing about life? The best thing about life is uncertainty. Because we don't know what would be happening next. When the May exams were postponed to the June month, did we know that the exams would be rescheduled once again? In the similar case, Do we actually know that the exams would actually get rescheduled or will happen in July? We don't know anything, right? Because the future is uncertain. Nobody knows future, and that's life. So my humble request, my submission to you is, don't get baffled with a variety of talks. Take a deep breath. Just take a break for these 2 days rather than just quickly thinking, okay, what do I should do today onwards. It's okay. Either you finish what you were doing, or take a break for 2 days. It's all right, so that you would know what you want to do. Have your mind from a hustling mind to a calm mind. Make sure to breathe. Thank you.